Today I'll be showing you what I eat for breakfast, and it's going to be an easy and simple recipe. So we are going to be making some delicious, flavorful, protein-loaded omelette, which is going to have lots of nutrients because you're going to throw in lots of veggies. And to serve up my omelette, I'm going to be adding in some leftover arrowroot together with some very gorgeous carrots, which are going to act as veggies. You're going to prep up your fresh ingredients ahead, and I've already done that. We have some thinly sliced onions, tomatoes, 3 eggs because the recipe is for 1. You can double or even triple the recipe to make some more for your family. Also, we have some coriander, carrots, turmeric, black pepper, some leftover ndoma, which I'm going to be enjoying with my omelette. Yeah, and cooking oil. So I'm going to get straight into cooking my omelette by placing a pan over medium flame and adding in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. You're going to crack in 3 eggs to your bowl. I love my omelette with lots of veggies, so I'm going to add in lots of tomatoes and onions. You can cut into small pieces or into strips just like mine. Add in onions. One seasoning cube. You can also substitute with some salt. Add in a pinch of turmeric and also a pinch of black pepper. Use a fork and whisk everything until fully combined. Check on your pan and the cooking oil is ready. So I'm going to transfer in carefully. Reduce the flames to low so that the omelette can slowly cook. Add in a touch of coriander just to add in some color. And to present my omelette, I'm going to be making some carrot ribbons, and I've already peeled my carrots and washed the outside. Using a vegetable peeler, I'm going to run my peeler and make carrot ribbons just like this. Check on my omelette, which is perfectly cooking and getting that nice color. So I'm going to pick a spatula, check underneath, and the omelette looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to be flipping so that the other side can cook. And this is the tricky part. So you can use a plate if you're not a pro to flip your omelette. And if you're a pro, you can use your spatula or toss the omelette. So what are we going for? So I'll be tossing my omelette so that we can cook on the other side. Nice. Cook the other side for around a minute. The cooking time is going to depend on how you love your eggs. Mine is going to take around 30 seconds because I don't want to overcook the eggs. If you love your eggs well cooked, cook for around 45 seconds to a minute. I'm going to serve up my omelette, my ribboned carrots. Finally, I'm going to add in my arrowroots. Finally, my plate is well presented and my omelette is looking so delicious and amazing. So the omelette has turned out perfect. It's well seasoned and loaded with lots of proteins. And for carbs, we have some arrowroot. Veggies, we have some carrots, and this makes my plate balanced for breakfast or brunch, or even you can enjoy for lunch or dinner. Yeah, so this is a full meal. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try, and you can serve up everything with a cup of coffee or